I try something a little different here and shoot this video on my phone today. It's nice out, so I'll show you guys what I did yesterday. Kind of did a little yard work, so hopefully, actually my back's holding up pretty good. I'm kind of encouraged, so I'll show you what I did. My wife really loved animals, so one of her favorite things that I ever bought her was this St. Francis statue. So I set it up out front here yesterday, and then I bought those plants and planted them around there, and there's a stepping stone that her daughters made her for her birthday. I put that there, and I hung the hummingbird feeder next to it here. Got some of the weeds out of there. There's still a few I need to get out, but I didn't want to overdo things too much. I'm still testing my back out since the fusion surgery I had 11 months ago, so but I'm actually pretty encouraged. It feels fairly good today. And then I also bought this Italian parsley plant and stuck it in right there. And then my old 87 Chevy pickup that I still drive. And I planted some tomato plants over here on the side of the garage. I wasn't quite sure where to plant stuff, so I thought this looked pretty good. At one plant there, one plant there. You look out in front, Andy's produce market right there, where I buy a lot of my produce and stuff. Up to the side over here, it's my grandson's swing set. They're setting up for him. He's like, I don't know, a little over one. He's born in December, so I don't know, 15 months or so now. But yeah, a little tour of the outside of the house here. Pretty nice day. Sun's just coming up, so I'll post this and see how it turns out. See you guys.